Well, you know what? You're in luck. Here's what I swear by. I swear by what we call a home warranty. A home warranty is absolutely wonderful. I make sure that all of my clients have a home warranty when we close escrow. I make sure all of my family has home warranties. And I make sure that I have home warranties on all of my properties. Here's why. If something were to break down, say your garbage disposal, say your water heater, your electrical, your garage, your pool, your refrigerator, your dishwasher, all appliances, electrical, even pools, air conditioning units, all of those are covered under your home warranty. And a home warranty, typically there's a small deductible. You pay a fee, a yearly fee. It might be anywhere between $400 and $700, depending on what type of upgrade options you have. And then every time you call, there's a small deductible. Deductible is anywhere between $50 and say $100, typically around $70. But you call the home warranty up, tell them that your item is broken, and they will send somebody out to fix it. It's that simple. So don't worry about having a landlord that's responsible to fix everything. You have a home warranty. Just invest a few $100s a year, have a small deductible, and everything is taken care of. So there should be no excuse on why you shouldn't be a homeowner. All right? Take care and God bless. Ask Constance. Peace.